Hello, it's Janine in another tapping video. So do you find you're often putting pressure on yourself? Whether it's pressure in work, pressure to get things done, pressure in relationships, and today's tapping video is going to help you with that. So, putting pressure on yourself. I'm going to help you let some of that go today. So, first of all, give this a number for me. Out of 10. 10 out of 10 being loads of pressure, the most excruciating pressure ever, and naught being no pressure at all. Have a think how far this goes back, how often it pops up, and today we're going to help you let go of that, okay? So just give that a number, okay? Let that be there for a moment, and I want you to start tapping on the side of your hand, just looking after yourself while we do this tapping video, okay? So I put all this pressure on myself, and I want to be able to let some of that go. And I choose to love and accept me now anyway. All this pressure that I put on myself, I don't need it anymore. I want to feel in a calmer space. And I choose to love and accept me now. So all this pressure I place on myself, whether it's in work, whether it's in personal relationships, I want to be open to letting go. And instead, I choose to love and accept me now. Okay, so just around the points. So I'm putting all this pressure on myself. I don't want to hold on. I want to be able to let it all go. All this pressure that I'm placing on myself. And I'm using up all this energy. What if I could just let that go? Maybe it just goes back to an old program. Maybe it goes back to some old stuff. All this pressure. And I just want to be able to let go. Maybe there's no need for perfectionism. Maybe I can let go of this need to be perfect. What if I can let go of this need to put pressure on myself? What if I could just choose to let go? I don't want to hold on anymore. Letting go of this need to put pressure on myself. Is it really helping? Maybe it's holding me back. And I want to let it all go. I want to let go and release this control. Release and let go of this need to be perfect. I don't want to hold on anymore. This need to put pressure on myself. Maybe it goes back to some old programs. What if I could release and let that go? What if I could let it all go? All the way back from my past. This need to put pressure on myself. I want to let it go today. Or let go whatever's right for me. Instead, I choose to feel in a calmer space. Choosing to create more clarity and vision. Choosing to create a peace of mind. I get to choose. And I choose to let go. All this pressure. I don't need you anymore. Feeling lighter and lighter. Feeling good about myself now. In every single cell in my body. Excellent. Just take a deep breath. Breathe out. Good. And just check in where you are. Are you still at that? You'll be lower, I should imagine, a lower number. Checking what else came up there. No need to put so much pressure on yourself because it's just going to kind of keep us stuck. Okay. As ever, do let me know how you get on in the comments. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell other people if you like these videos. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day.